Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajian lang jong ke Kynhun Myntri jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kebelasong jelang hak kanreu terik mentau benai kelalingkon arajar kat kendai. Kalai keren Halor ki babon Tylli kiman bat kawai neki kadai Halor ki kenram kilendan ki bani simenta hak jing rakhe ye ke Republic Day hak arpen reu terik mentau benai kelalingkon. Hak jing rakhe hak ni ganong ba Shillong ukongsan undai ulat kejela utat ha gata roy uban kentiu ye kalamai lairong jongkari. Hakiwai pat ki distreng on kentiu ye kalama lairong jongkari daki Myntri Sarkar Kynthup yu Myntri rangba kejela u konrat ke sangma uban ye simenta hak jing rakhe hapo tura. Kiwai pat ki Myntri ki ban kentiu ye kalama jongkari hak sngi rakhe ye ke Republic Day hanong stony on le ye ke benta da uba met ba lingdo. Hanong po uba sngyaw bahalang dhar, hajawai uba lakmen remboy, ha William Nagar, uba samlin malngyang, ha bakmara, uba kermen shela, ha resubel para, uba hamlet doling, ha mau kerwat, u James PK sangma, ha ampati, uba AL heng, bat ha kliriat pan, da uba coming one ombon.
The cabinet has decided like this. Flag hosting of VIPs. Shillong, Honorable Governor. Shillong, Honorable Governor. Nongstoin, Minister Met Balendo. Nongpo, Shri S. Dhar. Juwai, Minister Rumbui. Tura, Honorable Chief Minister. William Nagar, Samlin Malngyang. Bakmara, Kermen Shela, Resubel Para, Hamlet Dolling, Mau Kerwat, James Ke Sangma, Ampati, Shri AL Hek, and Kliriat coming on board. In the subdivisional headquarters, Mairang, Shri Bante Dolindo, Sora, Shri Lambor Malngyang, Amlaren, Marcus Armara, Dadengiri, Renington Tongkar, Penusla, Wailat Shilla, Chokpot, Saleng Sangma, Raksamgre, Sanbor Shulai, Maushenrut, TD Shira, Deputy Speaker, and Ranikor, Macmillan Bersat. So we have two units here. One is Patarkma, which is to be attended by Mr. Kevin Melimngap and Hima Shangpung di Lamari.
Kynhun Myntri hak ni kesngi kala menjuru ya ka kerteng jong ki breu jong ni kejela ki ban yo pediang ya ke Meghalaya Day Award arajar ka kendai. Hak balarai baya ka tirot sing CM Award ka badai hak liang ka thok katar on ai show principal jong ka Jaintia Eastern College u Dr. P Nongtru. Nang ta ya ka patogan sangma award on ai show Bishop Barem jong ka Tura Diocese u Reverend George Mama Lazari. Ka badai ka kusnam hak liang ka jingsenyang ya ka imlang salang. Bat ya ka kusnam kyang nang ba award pan hak ka melekai on ai show Eugene K Marang u bolong wei ni kinong lekai taekwondo.
The award in the name of Utirot Singh Award for Arts and Literature, the Cabinet has approved Dr. Parvishan Nongtudu, Dr. P. Nongtudu, Principal of Jaintia Eastern College. Then the award in the name of Patukan and Sama Award for Social Service, Reverend George Mamalaseri, former bishop of Tura Diocese. And the third award, Ukyang Nongba Award for Sports. The Cabinet has approved Shri Eugene K. Marak, Taekwondo player and master coach.
Sakawai pat kamat ke baka Kynhun Myntri ke Ïatai hakini ke jelang kadai pat Halor ke pension na ke banta ginong trei jongkatnan Meghalaya Board of School Education.
Was brought from the education department. It's a very small issue where they wanted to merge the national pension scheme for the employees of the MBOs. National pension scheme. Because all these years what they do, the employees of MBOs, they are entitled to CPF. Okay? So the government of India came up with this new schemes for the benefit of the employees. So ultimately the education department felt that we should bring it in the cabinet where the pension schemes of the employees of MBOs can be availed either by this CPF or by the national pension scheme. So the cabinet has approved this.